A one-day fire and safety awareness program was jointly conducted at Kangla Food Products and Manipur Fire Service at the premises of Kangla Food Products located at Nambol. Employees of Kangla Food Products were sensitized on fire and safety during the program. Divisional Officer of Manipur Fire Service Department L. Nabachandra Singh, Manipur Fire Service Sub-Officer W. Rana and General Manager Kangla Food Products L. Roman attended the program as main guests. The Ima Market in Jiribam district of Manipur is the major shopping center not only for Jiribam residents but also for people in Tamenglong, Farzol and Chirachandpur district. It is also the largest marketplace in Jiribam bordering Assam. However, at present, customers have to face the hit of skyrocketed prices of commodities sold in the market. Notre Dame Cathedral of Paris will not host Christmas Mass for the first time in over 200 years after a devastating fire in April destroyed the spire and frame of the celebrated cathedral. Notre Dame Cathedral of Paris will not hold Christmas Mass for the first time in over 200 years after a devastating fire in April destroyed the spire and frame of the celebrated cathedral. Notre Dame has hosted Mass every year since the time of Napoleon. The 855-year-old monument even hosted Mass during Second World War. As per a report, the cathedral's spire and frame were destroyed in a fire on April 15, 2019, as horrified onlookers watched the firefighters fight to prevent the flames from destroying the entire edifice and bell towers. Japanese authorities today arrested ruling Liberal Democratic Party lawmaker Tsukasa Akimoto on suspicion of accepting bribes from a company interested in setting up a casino in Japan, Tokyo, prosecutors said in a document. As per media reports, Akimoto, who was a senior vice minister in the cabinet office until October 2018 and oversaw the government's policy on introducing casinos, is suspected of receiving 3 million yen in cash from 3 suspects, knowing their company wanted to help with a casino bid, prosecutors said.